This is how I make my magnesium oil. It's super simple, and basically you just need 2 ingredients. For the size of my bottle, I usually mix 1 tablespoon of magnesium flakes with 2 tablespoons of purified water. After that, I just let it dissolve, and usually this takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, I just transfer it to the bottle. To this, you can add some drops of your favorite essential oil. In my case, I add lavender, which helps as well to relax and calm down your body. By the way, I just add 2 drops, which is more than enough. And pretty much that's it. Normally I shake it before using it, and what I do is I just add a couple of drops, like maybe 10 to 20 drops on each foot before I sleep, and I notice that it helps to relax, and I do fall asleep faster and longer. So for me, this works. And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to write them here below. See you soon. Bye!